Deport daw Grand Marquis ayaw mandar. What problem ba?
This is I don't know. This is self.
No working.
Start.
No start.
No working car.
No working, ayaw mandar. Start. Walang crank. So ayaw mandar. Hindi gumagana yung starter. Starter not working by.
Yeah.
Okay. Just
This is no. I'm
start by start.
No start.
No start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. No start.
No start by ha?
Yeah, no start.
Start.
This brake, check engine. This is battery.
Plus. Ito yung linya ng starter dun sa ano. Itong starter. Subukan natin derikan. Positive. Natin kung gagana. Gagana. Subo yung starter. Starter is good. Gamit tayo ngayon ng slide. Slide. Start by. Start. Up, start. Subuo yung linya. Kalas, tabi. Linisin natin to. Ayo. Ito contact liner. Ano ba yan? Okay na. Sabi? Sugol. Start natin yung sakyan. Under. Oh, yes. Under. Start na siya. Alright. What can you say? Working now?
Start now.
Okay, goodbye.
Oh, very nice working.
Sulit din. Oh! Natin. Okay, good. Bye-bye. Hello, mother. Finish. What do you say? Wait, on. Wait. Okay, finish.